In this video, we're going to find the missing number that makes a ratio equivalent. So if we have a problem like this that says find the missing number that makes the ratio equivalent to 1 to 8. And here we have 5 to something, and the something is what we need to find. So first step, understand that ratios are the same as fractions. We can rewrite the problem in fraction form. So 1 to 8, 5 to something, okay? So this will be the numerator, this will be the denominator. And for this one, this will be the numerator and this is the denominator. So it has to be the same, so if this is the numerator, this also has to be the numerator. So it has to be exactly the same pattern, okay? So now let's rewrite them as fractions. So 1 over 8 equals 5 over something. So we know the ratios are equivalent because the problem tells us this, right? What number makes the ratios equivalent? We're just trying to find what makes these equivalent. So 1 over 8 equals 5 over something. So now we need to ask ourselves, what do I do to 1 to make it equal to 5? So what do I do to this number to make it equal to 5? Well, you can multiply it by 5, right? So whatever you do to the numerator, you have to do to the denominator with fractions, remember? And if you don't remember, that's okay. You could take a look at the description. There's links there to videos of mine that are similar to this and also review fractions. Okay, so like we said, since you are multiplying the numerator by 5, you need to multiply the denominator by 5. So the answer is 40 because 8 times 5 is 40. So the equivalent fraction, the equivalent ratio, 1 to 8 is the same as 5 to 40. And that's how you do that kind of problem. And they're all similar to this when you have to find an equivalent ratio. So like I said, don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video or look in the description for extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.